How is DLC implemented in video games?
Hello there, fellow gamers. Today we're delving into the intriguing world of downloadable content, DLC. This fascinating component of our favorite games enhances the overall gaming experience, but have you ever wondered how it's implemented? Let's unravel the mystery together.
What is downloadable content, DLC?
DLC refers to additional content that's not available in the original version of the game but can be downloaded post-release. It can range from new maps and characters to entire expansion packs that bring fresh storylines and gameplay. In a nutshell, DLC is a tool for developers to extend the lifespan of their games, offering new adventures to players and generating additional revenue.
How is DLC created?
The process of creating DLC begins just like any other game development process. Designers, artists, programmers, and other team members come together to create new content according to their creative vision or the player's feedback. This content is then tested rigorously to ensure it's as bug-free as possible before being released.
How is DLC implemented into the game?
Once the DLC is ready for release, the next step is implementation. This involves two main aspects: distribution and integration. Distribution DLC is typically distributed through online platforms. When a player purchases or downloads a DLC, the data files are transferred to their system. This could be new map data, character models, scripts for new quests, or any other type of content. Integration: once the data files are in place, they need to be integrated into the existing game. This is typically done through patching the game's executable file to recognize and use the new data. When the game loads, it checks for any available DLC and, if present, includes that content in the game's overall structure. This is why you often see games update or restart when new DLC is installed.
Can DLC affect the game's balance?
Absolutely. DLC can bring new elements into the game, potentially altering the game balance. Developers must therefore be mindful of how the new content will affect the game's balance and the player's experience. It's a tricky task, but when done right, DLC can add depth and longevity to the gaming experience. That's all for now, folks. We hope this gives you a better understanding of how downloadable content is implemented into video games. So, the next time you're embarking on a new adventure or unlocking a new character, remember the intricate process behind its creation and implementation. Until next time, happy gaming!